How to glow up in summer. Use frozen spoon for your eyes to reduce dark circles or puffy eyes. Use tea tree oil for targeted acne treatment. Use wash shot tool or jade roller to reduce puffiness and promote lymphatic drainage. Establish a consistent skincare routine. The skincare calendar.
Get enough sleep each night.
Apply ice cubes to reduce acne and pimples, tighten the pores. Always apply sunscreen before heading outdoors to protect your skin from UV rays. Exfoliate your body regularly with a gentle scrub. Eat a balanced diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables. Use DIY scrub to remove dead skin from your lip. Apply lip balm to prevent your lips from cracking. Stay hydrated by drinking enough water. Engage in activities that you enjoy and makes you happy, because happiness is the only key of beauty. Am I right, cutie? Be confident always.